Om Bhurbhurva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya. So, Namaste everyone. I am Gia. I'm from Italy, and I stay here at the Real Happiness for 28 days for practicing meditation and yoga. I would like to share with all of you, my experience here, and I would like to recommend it because this experience was very, very, very beautiful. So first of all, I would like to thank Sanjay for the concept of real happiness to create this beautiful environments near the nature, near the forest, and also this beautiful concept he had in his mind. And to be here, for me it was very important after so many months traveling to come here and to enjoy this beautiful, peaceful place and to do all the practices, meditation and yoga. So I would like to thank also Swamiji for the meditation classes, the philosophy classes. For me, was the first time to talk about philosophy, religions, and to go more deep in the spirituality. So for me, the important things was to create some time for myself and to go more deep. So something I really recommend with all my heart is, and because I learned it here, is just be yourself every day, in every single moment, and enjoy life. Namaste.